First thing first, let's look at the people involved in the reaction. So we have FeSO4, and this guys are ferrous sulfate. First thing is, let me write iron 2 sulfate or ferrous sulfate. Next we have Fe2O3, that is your iron again, oxide, and then we have SO2. So this is your sulfur dioxide. And we have sulfur trioxide. Okay, and then let's look at balancing it out. So we have Fe2O3, FeSO4, Fe2O3, SO2 and SO3. Those are on the top, the reactant and the product. On the leftmost column, we have the list of atoms that are involved in the reaction. Now let's start with this. So let me actually do this. SO there is 1, oxygen there is 4, iron there is 1. In Fe2O4, these are the atoms involved. And over here there is none, iron is 2 and oxygen is 3. Sulfur is 1, oxygen is 2 and this is none, 1 and 3 and none. So clearly let's start off with iron. I need 2 of it, so this entire thing has to be 2. Only then I'll get 2 atoms of iron, because it's multiplied with 2, that is, this entire list has to be multiplied with 2. So let's look at it. So we have your sulfur to be 2 on the left hand side and 2 on the right hand side. Oxygen is 8, 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 2, 8, 2 and 2. Perfect. And we have a balanced equation. Fe2SO4, which is again a solid. In presence of heat, it breaks down to a lot more unstable products. This is also solid. SO2, the same pattern whatever you guys have seen till now. And SO3 will be released. So what is the set of indicators? Of course, very first thing is your gas. So when we tell gas, we have sulfur dioxide, which is choking odor. It's similar to a burnt match. You know, you smelled it. I smelled it, not smelled it, smelled it. Huh. Sulfur trioxide is, it is also, it is actually, how do I put it across? It's an irritant. It kind of burns, right? Okay, so that is one of the indicators. And yes, this is to an endothermic reaction. So there are a lot of examples for your endothermic and exothermic reaction by now. Obviously, we are looking at covalent bond, right? FeSO4 is clearly ionic bond overall. Fe and SO4 ionic bond. Then we have Fe2O3 ionic, Fe2O3 ionic. Then we have SO2 and SO3 covalent. So all this is okay. Why is it endothermic? Because FeSO4 is at lower energy state, while our Fe2O3, SO2 and SO3 are at higher energy state. And so there is energy absorbed. Is it not? Basically, this is an example of endothermic reaction.